Hi, this is the last video in the Digitising a Field Map series. So one thing you're going to want to do is do all the digitising of your cross sections and maybe GVS or Legend, that sort of thing. So you can do that in separate documents, or you can do it in this single document if you like. One thing you can use is the eyedropper tool to make sure you're getting the same colours across them, or you can simply copy and paste an object between the two to get the same colour and eyedrop that. So one thing that's really important is this map layout size. Now all the way through we've kept this at 1 to 5000, and we need to fit some other things on now, hypothetically. So instead of just squeezing this down and ruining the absolute scale that we'd set up and having to kind of rescale the cross sections and all this sort of carry on, what we really want to do is fit the page size to the content we want to put on. So what I'll do is go to document properties, and I'm not actually restricted to using one of these A sizes. So in this example, I actually want this to be about 600 and then 400 high. It's just something I made up there. Okay. So if you're going to move this around, make sure you uncheck all the layers, just in case you need to go back and do anything. So I'm going to put that there. Sorry, I had to unlock that as well. So move it all around, move it up there. Actually, this might be a bit big, so we'll make it 400 and then 300. Okay, that seems a bit more realistic. Probably not going to have a lot of cross sections for such a small area. Okay, so I'm just going to pretend I've got some cross sections here. So that's one of them. That's another. You need to put datum and projection information. Need a north arrow, scale bar, all these sorts of things. So this might be our GVS here. And yeah, I might just make these black boxes without a fill. That's a bit too rough. Okay, so we've made our page layout any way we want to, and sorry, I should have put those in the key and title layer, but I'm just doing it hypothetically. So the next thing we want to do is go File, Save As. Sorry, before I do that, I'm going to turn off that base layer. File, Save As, and we're going to choose PDF, folder block document format, and we're going to call it digitize 300 if we need to rasterize anything, and we're going to do export area as page, not the drawing. If it's the drawing, it'll bring it in, and you really sort of want that white space. This is some error I've been getting. Just go cancel. It's quite annoying. So I'm just opening that up, and this is, you see it's 400 by 300, and this is the final map. One thing we could have also done is should have made this topo overlay a bit more translucent, and maybe the background a bit more opaque, or mix it with more white. So that's it. Thanks very much. Yeah, it's important to do the step at the end where you check it in Adobe just to make sure everything's been saved.